Welcome. I'm Ben, the Business Analyst Expert. Most people know me from my YouTube channel teaching about business analysis. In today's video, I'm going to give you the exact blueprint that allowed me to make my first $20,000 per month on the internet. And do not worry, it's not from selling courses. Let me go straight to the point. The best way to make money online in 2021 is through high-ticket affiliate marketing. For those who are not familiar with this concept, a high-ticket affiliate program is one that pays a high commission rate per referral, often in the range of $1,000 to $5,000. If you tried affiliate marketing in the past and it did not work, it's because you're probably doing it wrong. Most people think affiliate marketing is just getting an affiliate link and share it to all the internet hoping someone will click on your link and buy your product. Let me tell you, my friend, that's an outdated method that does not work. Don't get me wrong, you're probably going to make a few bucks here and there, but I'm talking about serious money, the type of money that makes you leave your full-time job. Another method the gurus are teaching is to use a two-page website, an opt-in page where you collect your leads' contact information, and a bridge page where you introduce them to the program you are promoting. This method is only effective when you already have a big audience. If you do not have any followers, this method won't work. You're also leaving a lot of money on the table with this method. Now let me tell you the most effective technique to promote any high-ticket affiliate product. I call this affiliate marketing on steroids. The best way to promote any affiliate program is by creating a course that shows people how to promote the program. And let me explain why this method is so effective. People would feel more confident signing up for a program if you teach them how to promote the program. They want to make sure they would be able to generate sales with the program. With this method, you'll make commissions not only from the program that you are promoting, but also make commissions from the tools people will be using to promote the program. I'm myself promoting only one program at the moment, and I am making money from 8 different income streams. Let me give you a breakdown of income streams. The number one income stream is the revenue generated from the course. I usually charge $147 to $497 for the course. The number two income stream is the commission I get from the high-ticket affiliate program. The program I am promoting right now has 4 membership levels, ranging from $3,000 to $21,000, and I'm making 75% commission per referral, which means my commission range from $2,250 to $15,750. Now you're probably telling yourself, who's going to pay that kind of money for a program? Well, I guess I was thinking the same exact thing when I first started this journey, but trust me, there are a lot of people out there that will pay that kind of money for a program. $21,000 might seem a lot of money to you right now, but it's not a big deal for a lot of people, and there are the people we will be targeting. And in the training, we show you exactly how to target those type of people. The number 3 income stream is the commissions I get from helping my prospects get funding. Not everyone can afford to sign up for a high-ticket program, so each time I find a prospect that is interested in the program, but they do not have the required capital, I help them get a loan, and I make commission from it. The commissions are usually in the range of $800 to $2,500. And I have partnered with one of the best loan companies in the business. They can get anyone with a 680 plus credit score approval for up to $200,000 in business or personal loan within 24 hours. The number 4 income stream is commissions I get from the tools that we use to promote the program. These tools will be your recurring source of income. Tool number 1, the website. Anyone needs a website to promote affiliate product, and one of the best website builders out there is ClickFunnels. With ClickFunnels, you can pretty much duplicate any website with a click. Tool number 2, email autoresponder. You're going to need an email autoresponder to follow up with your leads. Tool number 3, SMS Autoresponder. SMS have a higher open rate than emails, so I recommend you add this option to your marketing efforts. Tool number 4, link tracking tool. When you use different channels to promote your offer, you need to be able to track where your conversions are coming from. And using a link tracking tool is one of the most effective ways to track your conversions. Tool number 5, YouTube ranking tool. If you have a YouTube channel, this is the number 1 tool to rank any video at the top of YouTube in Google search. As you can see, these are some very useful tools, and all you do is recommending them to your prospects to make recurring commissions when they use the tools. So these are 8 streams of income I'm getting from promoting a single program. When you add up all these streams of income, you can easily find yourself making $20,000 plus on a monthly basis. Let's do the math. If your goal is to make $20,000 per month, you can either recruit 200 people each month for a program that pays $100 commissions, or you can recruit 4 people each month for a program that pays $5,000 commissions. Which one seems more feasible? Another great thing about high-ticket offers is that you can spend a lot more money on advertising and still get a good return on your investment. Let me ask you a question. Do you believe you can make 4 sales each month if you spend $2,000 on ads? Let me be even more conservative here. Let's say you spend $5,000 in ads each month to make 4 sales. That's still $15,000 in your pocket, assuming you're making $5,000 commission per sale. Even if you spend $10,000 per month on ads to get 4 sales, you're still making $10,000 each month. With this type of system, it's almost impossible to fail. Now let's go over the course content so you know exactly what you'll be getting when signing up for this course. You will get the exact copy of my funnel, and you can duplicate it to promote your own course. You're here right now watching this video presentation, and that is proof that this funnel is converting pretty well. If you cost around $1,000 if you hire someone to build a funnel like this, you do not have to worry about that because you'll be able to copy this whole website with one click. You get a step-by-step guide on how to set up all the 8 streams of income. You will learn how to target high-income earners, the type of people that can afford to pay for high-ticket programs. I'll share with you my exact target demographic, and I'll give you a copy of my best-performing ads. I will share with you the loan company that I use to get funding for my prospects. You can even use their service for yourself if you're in need of some working capital. I'll share with you the tool I use to rank my videos at the top of the search on YouTube for any keywords. You'll also get the exact copy of this whole course and promote it as your own. I know it can be intimidating for some people when they hear that you have to create a course. Oh well, you can just duplicate this course and promote it as your own. I will also share with you the program I am promoting at the moment. That is allowing me to make $15,750 per referral. And in case you decide to promote the same program, you will also get the copy of the exact funnel that I am using. With this training, you'll be able to promote just about any high-ticket programs out there. Click on the link below to access the program and decide if this is a good fit for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not done it yet, and don't forget to click the notification button. I hope you guys learned and enjoyed this video. Thank you, and have a great day.